Hi, my name is Adrian. I work at Woodcraft of Rockville, aka the Woodworkers Club. We wanted to show you how easy it is to build shelves in an afternoon using two products we carry, the Woodriver Cubby Cube connectors and the Playwood connectors. Both assemble and disassemble really easily, so it's simple to pack them up or reconfigure their layout. For both shelves, we use 3/4 inch thick plywood. The Cubby connectors are made to be used with 3/4 inch thick material, but the Playwood connectors accept a range of thicknesses, from 3/4 inch to 7/8 inch thick, so you have your choice of materials. You'll also need a way to cut your plywood, measuring tools, and a drill if you're using the Cubby Cube connectors. First, we decided on a layout for the shelves and made a cut list and a list of the connectors we would need. Then we drew a diagram of how to cut our plywood efficiently and marked where our first cuts would be. Next, we cut our plywood to size. This was my first time using a table saw, so I had a little help. If you don't have a table saw, you can always use a circular saw with a straight edge to run it against. And now we're ready to assemble our shelves. We started with a sort of bookshelf coffee table combo using the Playwood connectors. I attached 4 hairpin legs that we sell at the store, and then added the sides and top. The wood just slots into the connectors and then is tightened down with an Allen wrench. It was fairly simple, but it helped to have an additional person there to hold things steady while I slid the connectors on and tightened things up. And it's finished. I think it's pretty cute. And now for the next shelves. These took a little longer because there were so many screws, but the end product is really sturdy. I've sped it up quite a bit so you don't get bored. That's Ralph, one of the owners of the store, helping me assemble them. All in all, it took us about 45 minutes. We made things a little easier for ourselves by having 2 drills. One fitted with a Phillips bit, the other with a self-centering hinge bit, otherwise known as a Vicks bit. If you're not familiar with this bit, it's pretty magical. It allows you to easily and quickly drill perfectly centered pilot holes in hinges and other metal hardware. But even if you don't have a Vicks bit, an extra drill, or someone helping you, this is still a simple, straightforward project that's easily accomplished in an afternoon, with great end results. And finished. Visit us for all the materials used in this project and more great projects. Thanks for watching.